plum blossom rice balls, boil some red cabbage until it turns this nice purple. Then add some sushi vinegar until it becomes this nice pink, and then gradually add it to your rice until you reach a desired level of pink. Add some salt to your liking, and then we're gonna get out some of the pickled plum that we will put into our rice balls. I found that using plastic wrap helped me get it into a ball first. Then I got out my handy dandy picture of a plum blossom that I took that weekend, did my best to shape the ball into a flower, and decorated with white sesame seeds. Next I got carrot, lotus root, and potato. Cut off the ends of the lotus root and then go to Peel Town on everything. I cut up the potatoes into fourths and then put them in a pot to boil until they were soft. Then I cut up my lotus root into thin slices, cut those slices in halves, and then cut my carrots into these thin strips. I heated up some oil in a big pan, put in the lotus root first, and then waited until it got to a slightly more translucent color. Then I added the carrots and added soy sauce medium and sugar in these quantities. Then I work on the mashed potatoes. I just added a half cup of soy milk and then some salt to my liking. Then I take some asparagus and broccoli, cut it up, and then I blanched it. This is musinat and this is edible chrysanthemum, but I think spinach is okay too. I cut those up and then I mixed them up together to use as my salad base for the week. I sliced up some cucumber, sliced up some tomato, then I made the sesame dressing, for which I'll leave the recipe in the description. Then I got some shimeji mushrooms, cut them into bite-sized pieces, did the same with carrots, and I forgot to invite this daikon to Peel Town, but cut them up into slices and into little bite-sized pieces. We're gonna use that for our miso soup, so take out your kombu that's been in there overnight, put in the daikon and carrot first, then when that gets hot, add in your shimeji mushrooms. When the daikon has softened up, turn off the hot water and add in miso paste like this. I did about a tablespoon, and your soup is done. Now we assemble.